there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to check out today's video. We have our Allure Beauty Box for the month of April. I'm excited to see what we got this month, so why don't we go ahead and dive in. Happy April, everybody. April is my birthday month, so I always get excited for this month. I'm excited to see what we got in Allure. If you are new to these unboxings or you haven't heard of Allure Beauty Box before, it is a monthly subscription service, $23 a month, and we receive full size as well as deluxe size sample items. So I'm excited to see what we got. I'm excited to dive into everything. I haven't seen any spoilers, so I don't know anything in this box today, so I'm excited. So up first we have our little magazine here. This always has all of the info and all of the products in here. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. So up first we have from Aveda. This is the Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask. Okay, so I believe Aveda is a hair care brand. I think this is like a hair mask. So it says after shampooing, rinse your hair 2 to 5 minutes. Aveda, I know a lot of people really love this brand. Personally have tried a couple of their products in skincare, like in boxes, but I haven't tried them on their own. So this is just like a smaller deluxe size. The full size of this one is $44. So that is what we have as our first item in here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our next one. So we have from M61 Powerful Skincare. This is the Power Glow Peel. It's a 1 minute, 1-step exfoliating facial peel. Looks like inside of here you have 3 different treatments. Here is what that looks like. It says after cleansing and drying your skin, wipe pre-soaked towelette over your face, neck, décolletage, while avoiding eye area. Do not rinse off. Follow with a moisturizer recommended starting 3 times a week and building up every day. Okay, interesting. So I don't think I've heard of this brand before either, but sounds good. I love a good peel. I feel like that helps so much. So let's see the price on those. So it looks like for that one is $30, but that comes with 10 treatments. So this is, again, just a small deluxe size there. So let's see if we have some full size up in here. Come on. Next up, we have a face moisturizer. This is from Nardio, and it's a day to night cream. Something that's really great about Allure that sets them aside from different boxes, they do have a lot of skincare and hair care products. I feel like they're very heavily focused on like skincare. And I know a lot of you guys often say like how much you love that about this box, but also I know a lot of us have a little bit of a like nitpick with the fact that how many sample sizes we get. But I know a lot of this stuff is more pricey, so that's kind of, you know, one of the things. So this is a day to night serum, and it says after using a cleanser, spread a small amount of moisturizer onto your face. So let's see price on this guy. So this one is $49. And again, this is going to be a deluxe size of that as well. So far, we haven't had any full size, so let's see. I think this one might be. So this is the Akar Skin Restore Eye Serum. I think this looks like a full-size eye serum here. And I'm not familiar with this brand. I feel like a lot of times in the Allure box, I'm not familiar with the brands, but I know you guys normally are. So definitely, if you know any of these products, if you love any of these products, comment down below, let us know, because I know a lot of you often have Holy Grail products. I have to say, the last box, I think we got that Christopher, I think it was Christopher Robin or Christopher, something like that. It was a hair care serum or like a treatment. I've been using that a ton. I really like it. So this is the Restore Eye Serum. Here's the packaging. I always love red packaging. I've said that before, but I feel like we don't get red packaging super often. So the price on this one is $85. So it is a pricey eye product. So it says I have oily eyelids. I use this as a recipe for helping my makeup not to smudge. They're using it as a night cream, and it looks like this has some good benefits to it. So it says it will help moisturize the skin, soften. They do have like some of the editors who have some of their like claims in here or something that helped them. So she said this really helped with her oily eyelids, not helping her makeup like crease or anything like that. So interesting. So I will try that one and see what I think of it. We also have a product from the brand Cella. This is an eyeshadow palette. Okay, a travel size eyeshadow palette. Look at this. Little tiny one right here. So it looks like we have 4 different colors in here. This is a very small. I'm like, holy moly, this is a tiny little baby palette. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it is tiny. Look at how small compared to my hand that is. Like, it's a little bitty guy. But I actually haven't tried, I don't think I've tried Cella's like eyeshadow products. I know they have brow products. I know I've tried those before, but here's a palette. It actually looks really pretty. Just like a neutral toned palette, but this would be nice actually if you're like traveling or you're going anywhere, or you want this like even in your purse or your diaper bag or something. I always say diaper bag now because that's the life I'm living. I don't really carry much of a purse anymore, but here are swatches. It looks pretty. So this one is a little lackluster, but it's more of like a lighter matte shade. Shimmers look nice. That is kind of pretty, and I think it's very universal. I think a lot of people will like this, and you know, like that it's more neutral colors. Okay, the full-size palettes, it looks like retails for $45. But it's just a sample. Dang, so there's a lot of samples. And so far we've only gotten in the eye mask because I was thinking this was like full size, but it's not because it shows a picture here, if you guys can see, of this full size palette. So this is just like a little sample trial size again. So full one is $45. And then it looks like I think we have a couple more products in here still, which is good. Up next from the brand Cargo, we have one of their Black Sea liners. What's really cool about this line is it's actually swim proof, so it's waterproof. I have tried out a few of the products. I don't think I've tried the liner, but it's a very black liner, okay? There is that. The swimmable line is actually kind of cool from Cargo. I tried, they have like a foundation, a bronzer, like a full face. I do have a video on that, I believe, on my channel. So this is retailing for $18 for that. So that's good. It's full size of this one. And then I think I see one more product in here, and it looks like this is a palette right here. We have the Moonchild palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is always exciting to get. I know that this is a free item with purchase, so if you decide to sign up for Allure, then you would get this Moonchild palette. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So everything else I showed would be like your box if you were to subscribe to it, but this one would be like your extra if you were a first-time subscriber. So here's the palette right there. Super gorgeous. Very iridescent, fun shades in there. I'm not going to swatch this one because I do already own it, so I'll save this one and throw it for a giveaway for you guys. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this Allure box. I have to say I'm like a little bit underwhelmed with it. I don't think it's the worst box because I feel like we had quite a few like actual products in here, but there were a lot of deluxe sizes this month. So we had the only full-size things were the eyeliner and the eye cream or the eye serum. So these are the only full size. Everything else was deluxe. So we had the peel, the moisturizer, the hair repair mask, and then also the little eyeshadow palette, which I feel like this is, I mean, this is pretty good. I'm glad we got some makeup in here because I feel like normally it's a lot of skincare. Like I said, I know a lot of people love that, but also sometimes I kind of want a little something different. So I don't think it's a bad box, but it's not like my favorite out of any of them that they've had before. You guys will have to comment, let me know down below if you are a part of the Allure family. Do you get these Allure boxes? What's your favorite subscription box? I'd love to know. Comment that. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you love unboxings. I do a lot of them here on my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.